There's a couple of other things that you may want to consider, and one of them is whether or not you want to buy renter's insurance. Typically, if something happens, disasters, it's hurricane season.
Right.
If something happens with flood or wind, your personal possessions are not going to be covered by the landlord's policy, so that is something you may want to think about.
And that's a very good point. The same thing if there's a fire in the building, your personal possessions are not going to be covered unless you have insurance that covers your personal possessions. The owner of the building, the landlord, they typically have insurance that protects the structure and will pay to rebuild the structure if there's a storm, if there's a fire, if there's a flood. But that's the owner's structure. If you have your personal possessions in there, if they're stolen, if they are lost due to fire, flood, you're going to want to have renter's insurance for that.
And it's pretty cheap.
It is.
You know, I haven't checked on it recently, but sometimes you can get it as cheaply as, you know, less than $100 a year. It really just depends. I haven't looked at it in a while, but it's pretty affordable.
Right, and very, very important. Something for all renters out there to look into.